It's earlier in the day and I was way too excited to do this to wait until after I did everything in my room, so I'm gonna do it now. I got an email from Snow this morning saying that it's time to start my student orientation, which is a Canvas course. So technically I'm starting school today. I have I think it's like 12 modules that I have to finish before I go to school, and each one lasts about 1 hour. But before I do that, I wanted to do my tuition. I'm gonna pay my tuition right now. Something that I recommend everybody does is save up money for college, obviously. And the way that I did that is every time I got paid from my very first job, every time I got paid, every single paycheck, I split in half and put half into savings. Over the course of 3 years, I saved $6,369.27. I'm just super grateful for that I was able to do that and save money for myself, so I can pretty much pay for my whole college experience. I'm still planning on putting half of my paycheck into savings until I have to pay stuff like actual bills, and even then I still want to have money in my savings, but that's not important. We're gonna pay this bill. Okay, I pushed the go button without being on camera, but I just paid for my first semester of college. I still sound stuffy. Turns out I had COVID, so I'm currently still getting over that. I am now in my new room, my new setup. It's not completely done setting up, which is why I'm making this video, because I want to video me putting up my new photo wall on my new wall. But I wanted to show you this. This is a little bookshelf that I'm taking to college with me, but since I'm not at college yet, I figured I could use it right now. So it's just like a little setup so that I could have more decorations on my dresser. I think I'm actually going to put my photo wall on this wall, because I already have the bookshelf thing on that wall, so it kind of like fills the wall more. And I got this big old empty wall to fill, so I figured I'd put my photo wall on there. I'm going to pick the pictures that I want. I kind of don't want a really big photo wall this time, just because, you know, I kind of like the simpleness of how my room looks right now, so I don't want to make it too intense, especially when I'm not living here. My siblings are probably going to be staying in this room. Like, it's a possibility when I'm not here that my siblings will be staying in this room, so I wanted to make it like super simple, so it's not just my room, even though it technically still is my room. You know what I'm saying? I'm babbling on, but anyways, I'm gonna go through the pictures, so. Okay, I finished putting it up. I think it looks very cute. It's very small. Also, like, obviously, especially compared to my big bed, but that's it. I'm not putting any more up. I might decide to put more up later, but for right now, that's it. I also wanted to say that Pixie, what are you doing? Okay. She is adjusting weirdly to this room, because in my last room she loved to lay on the bed and take naps, and I think she's so confused that like she doesn't know where she can go anymore, which she can obviously still go on my bed and stuff. It's just in a different room, so she's testing her limits, and she looks at me like this all the time. I think she can sense that something's happening, that I'm moving off to college soon, because when we went college shopping and I had everything laid out on the floor, she just looked so sad. Oh, yes, don't be sad. Now we're moving on to the closet, which looks very chaotic. And so I want to organize it a little bit better. I'm gonna do that next. I didn't do very much. I just basically made some more room for my dresses and skirts so that they weren't hanging over my shoes. These are my work clothes, my work shirts, so that they're separate and I can find them easier when I have to go to work. These are my shirts and tops, and these are my sweat shirts and jackets. I think I've explained this before, but I've moved all of my top hangers and my sweatshirt hangers and jackets to be facing the outside, like facing the inside of the closet. And so when I pick a shirt out and I take it off like this, I'll put it back facing the right way, just so that I can tell which shirts I wear and which ones I don't. And the shirts that I do wear, I'll take to college with me. It just makes it a little easier for me to pick and choose which shirts I take. And